Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to give you a lesson, that is lesson number 15, how to make a bow. This is very simple and easy method. I hope you will like my video. If you are new on my channel, please do subscribe and share my video with your friends and family who want to learn crochet. To making a bow, I'm taking the yarn of medium size and hook size is 3.5 mm. So here I'm going to make a slip stitch and chain 4. Now make chain 4. Now 8 triple crochet in this chain space. So if you are new on my channel, please do subscribe, like, share my videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So here we have completed our triple crochet. Now chain 4 and slip stitch in this magic circle or a circle, basic circle. Again chain 4. Now we are making 8 triple crochet in this chain space. We are making 8 triple crochet in the circle. This is a very simple and basic method to make a bow. This bow can be used on any of your project like bags or frocks or dresses, anything like this. Now chain 4 and slip stitch in the chain space. So here we have completed the bow. We pull the thread. And we are going to make a finishing line on it, on its circle, as you can see. So this is our final look of bow. As you can see that how beautiful is it. We are locking up the last part of the thread. This part is very important. If you don't lock the last part of the yarn, this will cause damage. So here is the final look of our bow. This is so beautiful and simple method. I hope you will like my video and stay tuned.